Hey everybody, welcome to another video of Trading with Jackie. I'm Jackie Panetta. So today's video is going to be me showing you how to load the market maker trend directional indicator / EA onto your chart. Okay, so as you can see, I already have it on my chart for good old NAS because that's what we do, right? I trade NAS. So let me show you how to load it onto your chart. First and foremost is that it is a EA, meaning it's an expert advisor. Right now, what has been provided to us is the indicator of which the EA has been built upon, okay? But it works as an EA. So you're going to need to do certain things with this versus you would with other indicators, okay? Now, since we don't have to load it or anything into the data folder of MT4 because it's already there. We're on the Avoria Prime VPS. It's already loaded on the MT4 terminal. We're good. So, first thing you want to do is load it onto a chart of a pair that is actively trading now, meaning that the markets are open for the pair. Since today is Sunday, the only markets that are open is crypto markets. So if I was to load this on a currency pair and the currency pair markets are not open, you're not going to get the screen. It's not going to populate anything. Okay? Has to be an open market for it to populate data for you. This is here because NAS was open yesterday. Excuse me, not yesterday, Friday, when I loaded this chart. So this is just a snapshot from Friday. Okay, tonight when NAS opens up, this will get updated again. Alright, but to show you an example, let me show you. So I'm gonna market watch. We're gonna click on, say, DAX. Right, DAX is not open. Okay, so if I just right clicked it, chart window, I'm gonna put it on my chart. I like to clean my charts up. So, and it's a little difficult using the VPS to get the template, so I just do it myself. So I cleaned it up a bit, right? So if I want to load market maker trend on here, we're going to go to navigator. It's listed under expert advisors, not under indicators, just the expert advisors, and it has it in highlight. That's only the indicator right now. So I'm going to click, drag, drop, make sure I allow live trading, allow DLL imports, so on and so forth, and that's it. You don't get any other selection, and then hit OK. Alright, see that it's there. It's EA, so I have auto trading on. Alright, I have no data. That's because DAX is closed right now. Okay, so with DAX being closed right now, I need to load this on an active current chart. So let's go back to our market watch. And let's go find a crypto. Here's Bitcoin. We know Bitcoin is active right now. So let's drag and drop it on there. See how now I have data? Okay. So now I have data. Auto trading is on. That's because Bitcoin is in an active open market right now. Alright. I wanted to show that bug so you guys can understand what I'm talking about. Now let's go through this one more time. Alright. But now I'm going to do it from very beginning. So, open market. We're going to use Bitcoin as our example. You're going to go to your market watch. You're going to locate Bitcoin or whatever asset you want to trade. I'm only using Bitcoin because it's a weekend and the markets are open. But whatever asset you want to trade and the market is open for them, that's what you choose. Okay? If you're opening a brand new chart. So, I'm going to choose Bitcoin. I'm going to right click chart window, and then I'm going to close my market watch, right click in the chart, properties. This is just me making my properties what I want, and then hit OK. Now I have my nice clean chart. Okay, market maker trend directions come from the H1 time frame. Okay, so now what you want to do is just I leave it on the H1 time frame. And then the next thing you want to do is you're going to go to the navigator. Expert advisors, because it's in the expert advisors. It's not a indicator like regular indicators. You're only getting the indicator version right now, but it is truly an expert advisor. So highlight it, click, drag, drop, common tab, allow live trading. Because it's an expert advisor, make sure this is checked. Allow DLL imports and this one, and that's it. There's nothing else you touch. Hit OK. There you go. Alright, I'm going to close the navigator, open up my screen. Alright, it's been dropped. It's populated because I had Auto Trader on. If Auto Trader wasn't on, then I can show you guys what that looks like. But it populated because I had Auto Trader on. And that's what I wanted. I like to leave the smiley face on because it's an EA. Okay, so if it doesn't populate for you guys, make sure Auto Trader is on. Alright, and that's how you load market maker trend direction on your chart. I'll do it again with auto trading not on really quickly so you guys can see a difference if there is one. Sorry about my voice too. It's like I think I'm catching a cold. Alright, navigator, double click, allow live trading, hit OK. Oh, still popped up there even without it being auto trading button on, so it doesn't really matter. Because it's an EA, I typically just put auto trader on just to have it, but as you can see, it didn't even matter either way. Okay, it populated. All we want is to tell us market maker sell, and then this MA, and then it will say a buy if there was a market maker buy somewhere. Okay, but as you can see, it's telling me Bitcoin's in a market maker's trend sell, and it took, as you can clearly see, it sold. Okay, now how to trade with market maker trend direction, that's up to you. Alright, these trends is based off of the H1 time frame, and then you could take those trades however way you want. Alright, now a market maker trend is typically more for intraday to swing trading. So for instance, you see that we're in a sell. This will update the next day, by the way. So this started on 3/2. So when the new daily candle appears, alright, on 3/3, that's when this updated. Alright, I'm not quite sure exact time. I believe it's exactly at the new daily candle, but somewhere in that time frame, that's when this updated. Of course, more information about this will be in the Warrior Prime back office when the market maker trend videos drop. Okay, but this is just to get people going right now, just in case. Alright, so how you look at it, it's in a sell, so I would only be looking for sells, point blank period. Okay, I would only be looking for sells. If that's just to keep it simple, I can, because that's the trend. You're following the trend. I could counter trend trade too, so I can take buys. Doesn't mean you can't buy, but if you want to keep it simple for yourself, you look for sells. That's it. Alright, how you get those sells, whatever strategy you want to use. If you're just only using market maker trend for direction, whatever strategy you use to catch sells, use it. If you're using arrow or red light green light, which is a part of the AIM ecosystem, then you will use one of the arrow strategies or signal off of red light green light. Keep it simple. You know, the entire ecosystem works together. Okay, but I clearly see a rejection wick right there, and you know, boom, drop. So that's market maker trend. Hopefully I answered the questions on how to load it on the chart and what it looks like. If you guys have any questions, I'll leave my Telegram link in the description box of this video. If you want to try out the market maker trend direction indicator, /EA, because it will be turning into an EA later on this month. There's a 2-week trial. I'll also DM me on Telegram so you can get instructions on to try the 2-week trial. Of course, you cannot already be a Warrior Prime customer to do that. And then, if you don't have this and you're not a customer and you don't care about the trial, you want to get started, I'm going to leave that link in the description box as well below for you to get started. 7-day money back guarantee. And then the last thing would be the broker that I'm using. If you want to use the same broker, I'll leave that link as well. Alright, so this will get you guys going. Stay tuned. I'm going to be doing more videos on the whole entire AIM ecosystem of tools. Alright, take care of yourselves. Bye.